I'm Caitlin, and welcome to my horribly flipped house.
Welcome back to part 2 of the mini-series, I Live in a Horribly Flipped House. This time, we're in the kitchen.
So they went for the unfinished farmhouse look with this beam, which they also couldn't possibly finish and left about 4 inches there. And while they're at it, couldn't possibly paint that one little spot. Maybe the best part is that they didn't tile correctly, and yeah, the grout is coming up, and we're gonna have to replace these, well, me. And they are actually moving. And of course, the random leakage from the fridge every day. Oh, what's this surprise?
And because you people are visual people, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Double-sided tape. You can't tile properly? What kind of bozos did this kind of work? So I was trying to enjoy my coffee in the room across the way here, and I happened to look over at the island and saw this, and I thought, wow, that looks really crooked. Maybe I just need more coffee. I just went out to get my level. Let's measure this together, shall we? Get in here. Do you see that? What the heck, you frickin' plants? How hard is it to make something level? Something called levels. They're great tools. They help you make things straight.
Beam isn't complete without a warped board. Nothing like a good shim job. Stay tuned for the next episode. I've got lots to show you.